Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the assignment and the reassignment operator. It works very similar to how it works in other programming languages, and I'm going to show you how you can use it in Pinescript. So first of all, the assignment operator is used to assign a variable that is initiated or declared, like whenever we assign or declare the variable. Let's say here in this case, I am declaring this I variable or identifier, and I'm assigning it a value of 1. And these are all the cases that in which we have used the assignment variable. As you can see here, the assignment variable is nothing but an equal to sign, and this is very common and mostly used assignment operator. Now let's talk about the reassignment operator. Here you can see that I have assigned the I identifier a value of 1. Okay, and let's say under some condition I want to change this value. So for that, what I would need is I would need to use the reassignment operator. You can reassign it under some condition or even in later in your code. Let's say if you want to reassign it later in your code because you don't need this to be 1 after some time, okay, or if you want to change it if some condition is met. So what we would do is we would use that, if we would define that condition under which we want to reassign this value. So let's say if I want to reassign this I a value of 2 if the candle is bearish. Okay, this is just a case study. Okay, so if I say here, if open is greater than close, that means that the candle is bearish and I want to reassign the value I a value of 2. So now if this condition is correct, then we would be getting the I with a value of 2. Let's just see how it plots out. So let me just go here and plot the I. So now where the candle is bullish, we would be getting the 1, and where the candle is bearish, we will be getting a value of 2. Let me just add this to chart. So here you can see that it is oscillating between 1 and 2. Let me just drag this downward, and here you can see that whenever the candle is bullish, the value is 1, and when the candle is bearish, the value is 2. So we have reassigned the I variable or I identifier a value under a condition when the candle is bearish. And this is how you can use this reassignment and this assignment operator in your code in order to reassign the value under some certain conditions, or in later in your code whenever you want to change it. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I would love to answer them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first one to know whenever we upload new content. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.